Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make rock sugar from sugarcane. Start by extracting fresh sugarcane juice, strain it twice, and clarify with natural lime. Simmer the syrup slowly to evaporate water until it reaches soft ball stage, then cool slightly and seed with crystals. Pour into shallow pans, cover with cloth to keep dust out, and allow crystals to form undisturbed for several days. To clarify juice, mix a small pinch of lime and heat gently, then skim impurities off the surface to keep the sugar pure. Monitor temperature with a candy thermometer or by testing drops in cold water to hit the soft ball stage around 235 degrees F to 240 degrees F. Avoid stirring after seeding to let crystals grow evenly, and keep pan covered to prevent dust and insects from settling on the forming crystals. Once crystals form, drain off remaining syrup and let the rocks air dry on racks for several days until they feel hard and dry to touch. Store rock sugar in airtight jars away from moisture and strong odors to preserve clarity and flavor. If crystals are small or cloudy, remelt and reseed, or try cooler overnight temperatures for slower growth and clearer, larger crystals. You can infuse with ginger or citrus peels during simmering for subtle flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.